Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to do a massive unboxing of products that just became available today for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 as well as your Galaxy Watch. So let's go ahead and get straight to the unboxing, and then I just wanted to show you all the other things we're going to be talking about on the channel this week. You're going to see screen protectors, and I have the best screen protector for the Note 9, so you're going to want to watch that video. We're also going to have cases, lots of cases that we're going to be looking at. We're going to do wireless charging tests. We're going to look at the overall quality, how they actually look on your phone, and what compatibility issues you may run into if you pick up a certain screen protector. So make sure that you subscribe. We're going to go through the video, and what we're going to first start out with is our Note 9 unboxing, and we'll go ahead and take a look at our Galaxy Watches as well. Let's get right to it. So guys, in this video we're purely going to be focused on the unboxing, what you can expect when you get your products, and we'll do a high-level look of what the products look like. We're going to have an in-depth video looking at the watches, and I here have the 42mm and the 46. This is the rose gold, and then we have the Bluetooth version that is very similar to the one that I have right now, but it has a combination of the black bezel with the chrome bezel as I have on my Classic, and it's also the Bluetooth version. So we're going to take a look at those. Here we have a blue Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that we'll look at as well. So let's do the unboxing, and we'll take a look and see what's inside. Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and start our unboxing. This is a AT&T variant of the Note 9. So we'll go ahead and start opening this up so you can see what you can expect. So the first thing we have here is your SIM card ejector, and we're going to have some miscellaneous stuff in here that is going to probably be user guide information. Yeah, so this is all notification stuff. As we get our Note out, here's our Note. We've seen a lot of this online, so we'll put it aside. We do have, since this is an AT&T, I do have my SIM card. Here I have a wireless charging brick. This don't throw away, because this is going to allow you to transfer your files from one device to another and do a quick setup. So you'll want to keep this. This is also a great OTG device, so you can connect a keyboard, a mouse, all these different devices to your Note, so don't throw this away. And then we do have some AKG earbuds. Some tips that we have for our stylus or our S Pen, and then we have a USB-C cable, and this is actually black, so we traditionally see this stuff coming up in white. So that's everything that is part of the Note 9. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull this off. I had to cut the tape first, and I have to say, being at the Samsung event, I really liked the way this watch looked. Very sharp looking. I like the colors. I know my wife is going to love this rose gold, and then also the band itself. I find that this is going to be a very feminine looking watch, and for those ladies that were looking for a smaller version of the watch, this is definitely going to be a home run. So we're going to put this to the side. We'll go ahead and see what else we have in here. Push this over here. So this is the Bluetooth version. There is a cellular version coming out. Is not available yet. I've seen only one carrier right now advertising the fact that that you can start doing a pre-order, and that's T-Mobile. Here you have your USB-C cable. So it's a USB-C cable, and you have your charging. Actually, it's not a USB-C. It's a micro USB charging cable and dock. That's kind of disappointing. I wish Samsung had moved up to USB-C with these. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, over here you actually have a little booklet, instructional stuff, which we'll throw over to the side, and then what you have is the charging brick, and you do have another band that you can remove. This is going to be a larger band, and again, these bands are they're silicone, so it's not a leather band, but it's still a really nice looking band. Alright, so next up is our Galaxy Watch. So we're going to go ahead and check this one out. And I have to say that I do like the combination. So here you have, it's like the combination of the Frontier and the Classic all in one. So you notice how you have the treatment here. The buttons are nice too. The buttons have a nice grip to it. So you have the black and chrome. This is the one that I have now, so they're the same size, and it does come with a nicer band. I do like the band that's a soft material. So we have that, and everything is going to be pretty much the same as we look at all the accessories. So you're going to get the same type of charging brick, the same type of charging base. Everything is exactly the same, so we'll skip that piece. Alright guys, so the last thing we're going to take a look at is this wireless charging duo. We're going to be looking at all the cases separately, but the duo charger is a great charger for those of you who are looking to be able to have your Note or any wireless charging product from Samsung and your smartwatch charging at the same time. So we're going to take a look at this more in detail as we do an in-depth review as well. So now the interesting thing about the Duo is that it has a wonking, super duper, massive charger. Look how big this thing is. Let's just put them side by side so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the one that comes with your phone, and this is the one that comes with the Duo. So this is probably going to give some really heavy-duty output. It does have a USB-C cable that's included, and that's going to be able to supply fast charging for both devices. So guys, that concludes our massive unboxing of Samsung launch products that were launched today all across North America. We're going to do a detailed setup of the Note 9. We are going to look at each one of these products so that you can familiarize yourself with it. There's going to be tips and tricks. We're going to talk about all the accessories. We're going to talk about screen protectors. As I said, we'll do a lot. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell icon so you get notified as soon as the videos become available. See you in the next one.